Welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to get ahead financially and achieve your dreams. First, let's talk about the power of ChatGPT as a tool for making money. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just looking for a way to earn some extra cash, ChatGPT can help you generate new and unique ideas for monetizing your skills and assets. One way to use ChatGPT is to generate content for your blog or website. By using the model to write articles, create videos, or produce other types of content, you can attract more visitors and monetize your site through advertising or affiliate marketing. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it to generate product ideas for your business. Whether you're an e-commerce store owner, a dropshipper, or a traditional brick-and-mortar business, ChatGPT can help you identify new and trending products to sell, as well as help you create high-converting product descriptions and ads. If you're a freelancer or service provider, you can also use ChatGPT to generate new and unique service offerings or to help you create compelling proposals and pitches to attract new clients. Another great way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it to generate new and unique ideas for online courses or digital products. Whether you're looking to create a course on a specific topic or you want to create an ebook, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas and outlines for your content, as well as help you write the course or ebook itself. In addition to these ideas, ChatGPT can also help you with research and data analysis for stock trading, real estate investing, and other financial opportunities. By using the model to analyze market trends, identify key indicators, and generate predictions, you can make more informed and profitable investment decisions. As you can see, there are many ways to use ChatGPT to make money and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or just looking for a way to earn some extra cash, ChatGPT can help you generate new and unique ideas, as well as create high-quality content and materials to help you succeed. So, if you're ready to take your financial success to the next level, give ChatGPT a try and start making money now. One strategy for using ChatGPT to make money is through automating tasks that would otherwise be time-consuming and labor-intensive. For example, if you run an e-commerce store, ChatGPT can help you quickly and easily create product descriptions, customer reviews, and other written content that can help drive sales and increase revenue. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by leveraging its ability to generate high-quality content quickly and easily. For example, if you're a blogger or a content marketer, ChatGPT can help you create engaging and informative blog posts, articles, and other pieces that can help you grow your audience and attract more readers. ChatGPT can also be used to generate financial reports, business plans, and other documents that are essential to running a successful business. This can help you to streamline your workflow and save time, allowing you to focus on other areas of your business. Another strategy for making money with ChatGPT is by using it to create chatbots. With the ability to understand natural language and respond in a conversational manner, ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can help businesses automate customer service, support, and other tasks. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate high-quality, SEO-friendly content for your website. ChatGPT can be used to create blog posts, articles, and other content that is optimized for search engines, which can help you to attract more visitors to your site and increase your revenue. ChatGPT can also be used to generate leads for your business. By creating high-quality, engaging content that is optimized for search engines and social media, ChatGPT can help you to attract more potential customers and increase your revenue. Another strategy for making money with ChatGPT is by using it to create email marketing campaigns. With the ability to generate high-quality content quickly and easily, ChatGPT can help you create engaging and effective email campaigns that can help you to increase your revenue. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to create social media posts and content. With the ability to understand natural language and respond in a conversational manner, ChatGPT can be used to create social media posts and content that can help you to grow your audience and increase your revenue. ChatGPT can also be used to create video scripts, which can be used to create engaging and informative videos that can help you to grow your audience and increase your revenue. Another strategy for making money with ChatGPT is by using it to create landing pages and website copy. With the ability to generate high-quality, SEO-friendly content quickly and easily, ChatGPT can help you create landing pages and website copy that can help you to increase your revenue and attract more visitors to your site. Thank you for watching.